Asuntoskeittiö Fleminginkatu 7, niin Kallio Helsinki staircase V. The 989 letters from Finland has already filmed staircase B and A. But staircase C has the best sounds probably, but in staircase B and A the buttons are harsher in the gap. But in all of them machineries are original, 6th floor. Ground floor, 3 brushes at 40 kilograms. Inspected by Lift Control Finland and maintained by pääkaupunkiseudun hissikeskus. Sixth floor. Ground floor. Sixth floor. These are also one of the best elevators in Kallio, but the best ones are 1963 Helsinki Hissi elevators and 1938 Asia elevator with complete original machinery. But the other staircase has new machinery, but it's also very amazing still. But other one is better. The best elevators before were 1959 asennustarvike elevators and 1961 asennustarvike elevators, but they have been modernized now, unfortunately. That's